It's a family-owned offshore company. We operate offshore vessels worldwide, and our main market is seismic support and smaller offshore support vessels. Our fleet consists of 6 vessels. We work globally. On this vessel we have 4 of the Cummins KTA 50, and on our other vessels we have KTA 50 and KTA 38. And on the smaller offshore support vessel, then the Cummins engines are for propulsion and diesel mechanic setup, and on this one they are for power generation, so the generator sets. We have in total of 16 or 17 Cummins set in total. We have now an Uksnoy engine that we use as a generator with variable RPM, so we can produce power via the permanent magnet motors. That is something that I think long term will be a benefit, especially for the offshore service vessels, where you need to have all power available, but not in full RPM. So it's been a positive experience for us the last years, and it's easier for us now to also continue using Cummins, as based on the history we have, and the good service follow-up, and the predictability in running the engines. They are working well. We are depending on both local support from our local supplier, and also to have a global service, so they can support us wherever we are. We had projects start up in Mombasa, of all places, last September, with 2 vessels with Cummins engines. We had local support from Cummins in Nairobi, but also a local support from this area sent down to manage the whole overhaul and the follow-up to get the things up and running before an important project startup. The advantage we see with Cummins as a large supplier with good availability for both spares and service engineers in operation, where we work in remote areas, is one of the biggest benefits. You're always looking for a good price when you purchase an engine, but you also need to have a good maintenance record and a good follow-up. And the concern we have, as all other offshore operators have, is of course fuel consumption. The consumption that we see overall is low, and the maintenance quote or cost per hour is within budgets for what we expect. We see the total benefit that the engines are reliable, and they work well, even in different settings. What we need is reliable products. We are really keen to approach our customers that we are able to deliver a reliable product of offshore vessels that are in operation 24/7 the whole year, and Cummins has become an important part of it.